We're alive.
And we're live. Hey everybody, Crumb Boss.
And the producer!
Stephanie and Gretchen. This is their celebratory 500th episode of Crumb Boss. And this is Peggy, Stephanie, the producer's mother, and Gretchen, the boss's friend. We're very, very happy to be here to film this, and this is going to be an interesting program. Whoa, look at that pizza dough fly.
We're having a pizza party, everybody. 500 episodes on YouTube.
Yeah, wonderful.
Yes, and right now we're going to show you how to make your very own pizza by Steph, the producer, and the Crumb Boss.
Okay, great.
Now, Crumb Boss, we get to make our own pizzas.
That's right.
Any which way you want to make them.
Do you want to make your pizza like Steph, or do you want to make your pizza like me?
Okay,
well, we'll see at the end, and then we'll decide which one looks the best. I'm sure they'll both be fine.
Exactly. No, they're totally fine.
Now, let's take a pan of the ingredients here.
Yes.
Oh, let's see. We have garlic powder, oregano leaves.
Yeah, are you filming the
Parmesan
right stuff, Mom?
cheese, crushed tomatoes, wonderful. And one of my favorites, basil and olive oil.
Listen to me.
And the mozzarella. Look at that mozzarella. That looks awesome. Fantastic.
Looks like she's washing her shirt over here.
Can I have the rolling pin, Gretchen?
Take it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So basically what you want to do first is you want to knead your dough and roll out the dough.
How badly do you need the dough?
You need it. Well, I don't need dough that bad. I have a lot of dough. But I'm just saying in general. But you want to make it so it's like a circle, right?
Yeah.
Then you gotta do this with your fingers.
Stretch it out, but you have to be careful not to make any holes in it, right?
Exactly, yes.
Let me see you flip it.
Well, mine's not kneaded out. I gotta make it bigger. Hold on. I can do it. I can totally do it.
Watch out, it doesn't get stuck on the ceiling.
No, it won't get stuck on the ceiling. We decided for our 500th episode not to do a cake and stuff like that. We wanted to make something because we're both hungry right now.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
The Crumb Boss always makes all this food. Yep, she's off her set. So,
wonderful.
You know, that's the whole thing. So anyway.
Gretchen, that's great.
Now.
No patty whacking in this episode, please.
Exactly.
Okay.
Pizza peel. You need to have your pizza peel to get your pizza into the oven.
To get the dough. That's great. Now, Gretchen, have you made homemade pizza before?
Oh, I make pizza all the time at
You
home.
do?
Yeah.
What's your favorite?
The one that I'm going to show you now.
Oh, okay.
It's a pizza margarita, guys.
Oh, that's my favorite, too, because my proper name is Margaret.
Really?
So I like the margarita pizza. It's very, very good.
I just use straight up crushed tomatoes for mine. I don't get too fancy with you know, like any kind of homemade sauce. I have in the past, but mostly I'm so rushed with everything at home nowadays that I just go for quick and easy, and I think this is a really great recipe, guys.
I don't blame you. Yeah, it is.
Mine is do whatever you want because you're going to put it in your mouth and it's good. You're going to swallow it and it's going to be all mixed
up. You don't like sauce?
I like a little bit of sauce. I love oregano.
Okay.
Gee, Stephanie, this looks like when you used to make pizza at home, Stephanie.
Yeah, when I was. So does it when you used to make it too. You stopped cooking when we were 12.
Oh, tried to run away from home, but nobody would take me.
Nobody would take her.
Do you like fresh basil on yours?
Yes, I do.
You do? Okay, good.
Yeah.
I like basil.
Oh, I love basil. It's so good.
So yeah, I like that, Gretchen. Okay, this is my cake.
Oh,
so,
Stephanie.
No, so the thing is that
you got to cut the stems off, right, Gretchen? Jeez. Oh, Stephanie didn't learn this from me, I swear.
This is unbelievable. Stephanie has been cooking in her kitchen in her
I bought a whole set of knives.
Yep, she has
How
knives.
much time do we have, Mom?
But no forks or plates.
Oh, we're good. We're under 4. We're good.
We're still under 4 minutes? Okay.
This is great.
So we've been on YouTube. Let's talk about our YouTube stuff. We've been on YouTube for 2 years now. This is our 500th episode.
Let's ask a question about that. Okay. Whose idea was it to do the YouTube?
Hers.
Was it?
I didn't want any part of this.
No.
Yeah, right.
Oh, Gretchen, you're not camera shy now. Come on.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Oh, Stephanie. Stephanie.
Mom, don't make fun of me on my show.
No, I was gonna say, Stephanie, cheer up.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's great. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Oh, that looks delicious. Oh, look at that. Ooh.
Exactly.
Wonderful.
So basically what we're going to do is
smells awesome.
YouTube was my thing because I came in here and I started filming her.
Sure.
And we filmed and we have all those episodes on YouTube and stuff. And I don't know, I saw talent. I know talent when I see it.
Oh, Gretchen certainly has it. I mean, we've seen so many episodes, and it's amazing what you can do, Gretchen.
And how many birthday party cakes has she made for everybody in the family?
Fantastic family party cakes. Oh,
This is the new method.
one for me, one for Bob, one for our grandchildren. Watch you don't cut your finger off,
I use the
Stephanie.
pizza cutter.
Be careful.
You do, right? Don't
Be
you, is that
careful.
how you make the pizza? Yeah.
Gretchen, what's your favorite thing about having the show?
That it gets me back into the kitchen and it actually get back to my roots, which is baking, which I love more than anything.
Which is
Because
wonderful.
Owning the business, guys, I am owning the business.
It's a lot of work, isn't it? Yeah.
My passion very much anymore. Oh, look at this.
That's a pizza.
I think it's great. Oh my word! Look at
Stephanie's.
Stephanie's.
I have got my oven cranked up to about 550 degrees right now, guys, with my pizza stone in the oven.
Oh, this is
so
beautiful.
I'm going to show you how to get the pizza into the oven.
Yeah, look at this. Look at the size of the oven.
Oh my word! Looks like an elevator.
Pizza stone
It
in
looks
there.
like an
Oh my
You want to
gosh!
get your pizza stone
Yeah, so
in
walk
the
with
oven.
the camera, Mom. I'll show you how to do
I
it.
am.
Pizza stone is now at 550 degrees.
Ooh,
I've
that
got my
feels
pizza
good.
on the peel.
Yes. Where's my
Wonderful.
pizza gonna go?
Yours is going to go on a sheet pan. See that? It put it right onto
Yours
the
goes on this pizza.
because I only have one stone.
Okay, so let's get a bakery tray out.
Oh, there she goes again.
We're going to put yours on here.
Yeah, but what are you gonna put it on?
We're going to put it on a sheet pan with a
My
pressure.
pizza's fine.
It's beautiful.
Wow,
Look at this. Now, did you realize that you were a chef?
Let's name that pizza.
Name that pizza.
Why don't we ask all your viewers to name that pizza?
Name this pizza. This is Steph, the producer's pizza.
My word.
She's got flour all over her nose and face, flour all over her
Isn't
shirt.
she cute?
Exactly. It's perfect.
You used to like to help me in the kitchen when you were little.
I did, yeah.
You did. You
Exactly.
always did.
Yes.
You always did.
So also, just so you all know, Bob Hunter is making a special guest appearance tonight on a video. So you're going to stay tuned for that too. How many more seconds do we have?
We have 7:12.
7:12. Okay. So ask us another question, Mother.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Gretchen, did you bake a lot when you were a child? Did your mom teach you? Your dad?
She's still a child.
Your mom?
My mom did. She made all the pies and cookies for all the holidays.
Did she? That's nice. Yeah.
And I was always very interested in what she was doing.
Were you?
Yeah.
Yeah. I baked a little bit when the kids were young, but it wasn't my thing.
Yeah, that's why I don't like to do it.
Yeah, it
I just
wasn't my
invested in
thing.
kitchen knives a few years ago.
Yeah. We're at 7:47. So.
Well, that's how we made our pizza, guys. Thanks for
Looks
500
good.
episodes and following us from the start.
Thanks to the two of you for doing Crumb Boss. It's sensational.
Without
Everybody
the fans,
loves
there
it.
would be no Crumb Boss and no producer.
Or no producer.
Who remembers a time back in 2011 when the world was a simpler, easier, more fun place to be? In a small bakery in northern New Jersey, two friends got together every week, determined to teach the world how to bake.
Crumb Boss.
And the producer!
And YouTube was never the same.
Hey, everybody, Crumb Boss here.
It sunk like the Titanic in here. Yay!
Crumb Boss and producer. Crumb Boss, everybody.
Whether it was making the #1 recipe on YouTube for buttercream, or icing fudge brownies, or teaching the world how to make eclairs, I was literally always working. Wait, that doesn't sound right.
Oh! Gretchen, it's like vomit! People don't eat that! It totally stinks! So, here we are in 2020, and well, YouTube, it's time to get ready! Hold on to your crumb buns, because guess what's coming back? Yay! Better, bigger, and so much more exciting!